Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about loops and some different types of strings. So first let me ask you one question. If I ask you to print hello 10 times, will you write print hello up to 10 times? No, absolutely not. Why? Because this will take more time, and instead of writing print hello up to 10 times, we are using the simple concept called loops. So a loop is used to execute the same block of code at multiple times. So it will reduces the time and reduces the amount of code we write. So here the types of loops, there are two types of loops, for loop and while loop. So here for loop means for loop is used to iterate over a sequence such as numbers, strings or list, which means we use a for loop when we already know how many times we want to repeat something. At the time we are using the for loop. Okay, this is the syntax for variable in sequence. Here and at the second line we are going to write the statement. So here in place of variable we are giving the variable name as I, and in place of sequence we are giving the range up to up to how many numbers we are going to print. So then afterward print I. So this is the output. We are going how the output will come now. See here output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4 only it will come. Uh, by our assumption, we have to assume that 0 as 1, 1 and 1 as 2, 2 as 3, 3 as 4, 4 as 5. Like that we have to count. Here we said about range up to 5. Here what is mean by range? So the range generates a sequence of numbers up to what number we are going to print. So like that only it will print. That only it will tell. Okay. It is a syntax for range. Range of we are going to give the start or stop or step. Example, the range of 5. What is output? The range of 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, how we will count the numbers 0 as 1, 1 as 2, like that we are going to count. So, for example, I gave the range as 2, comma 8. What it will going to print in between the 2 and 8, what are the numbers are available. So, that only it will print in between the 2 and 8. Okay. So, what is nested loop? Like, I pasted the code here, then I will run this. Then I will run this. What is the output? What is the output we are going to see? New terminal. Then type here python first.py. Then click enter. What is the output? 00, 01, 02, 10, 11, 12, 20, 21, 22. Why it is going to print like this? So in between the range of 3 for I and for j in range of 3, what are the numbers are present in between them? That only the it is going to print. Understood? What is break statement? So it will stop the loop immediately. So in see for example, for I in range of 10, we are going to print our 10 numbers. Okay. For example, if I want to break the loop at the position of 5, what is the uh, output we are going to see? I for example, see I will execute here. I will copy this code. So I pasted here. So I pasted this here. First I will remove this break and this statement. Okay. Then print. What is the output going to see? Print him 0 to 9 it will print. Okay. 0 to 9 it will going to print. Correct? Okay, then I will give the condition. What is the condition I gave here? If I equal to 5. For example, if our I equal to 5, it will break the statement. Okay. See what is the going to get the output? See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4, up to 5 numbers only we are going to get. Why? Because here we gave the condition and we apply the break condition. If the value, certain value is equal to 5, so the loop will end. That's why you are giving the break statement. That's why you are giving the break statement. Okay. So what is a continuous statement? Skip the current iteration and move to next iteration. Okay. See here. I gave this example only. I gave here if I equal to 5. Instead of break, I will give continue. What is the output? See, I will run this program. What is the output? At the it will skip the number 5 and it will continue the loop up to 10. Okay, see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is no 5. So it will skip the 5 and they continue 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that it will going to print. Okay, then pattern programs. So by using the for loop, we are going to print some pattern programs like a right angle triangle, pyramid. I will take two examples. First, we will print this program. So here giving the condition as for I in range of 5. So up to we are going to print these 5 lines. Okay. Print what? We are going to print what? Star. Okay. Here we are going to print star up to 5 only. See, star 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines only we are going to print. Okay, then we are going to print right angle triangle. Okay, here we are going to print what? At a right angle triangle. See how it will come for I in range of 1 comma 6. Previously what I gave for I in range of 5 only I gave. Here I gave what? 1 comma 6. Then what is the condition? Print star into I. Understood? Print star into I. This is the condition. See what is output? Like this it will come. Right angle triangle it will came. Okay. So, string indexing. So each character has an index. For example, I will take a word Python. So I will give the index number for this word 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If the negative index means what? Reversing. Here I gave 0 plus only. Will give negative index means I will assign minus. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 6. From right to left I am going to give. For, name equal to what? Python. Print name of 0. What is the output for this first statement? Tell me what is the output for this first statement? 0 means what? Zeroth position is what character it is going to print? P. This is a 0 position. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5. Like this I am going to I gave the index numbers. Okay. Print number 0 means what? What is the output? P. First letter it will print. Print name minus 1 means last. Right to left. The negative index starts from right to left. Okay. Minus 1 means which number it will going to print? N. This is the output. Okay. This is called string indexing. What is string slicing? Extract a part of a string, which means we're giving the condition in the ratio type and ratio type. So in between the words, it will print the output. See here, I gave example string start and end. Starting point, ending point. I give. I took example word called Python. So I took an example which is Python word. Okay, print name. Starting point what? 0. It will print it will start from 0 means P. Then it will end at third. So it will end at 3, which means 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Understood? What is the indexing number I am going to give? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For but my understand, I will assign this as 1, P as 1, 2, 3, up to 3. Okay. I gave the ending point what? 3. It will print up to P by T. Understood? What is string methods? These are the methods we are going to use in this Python. Upper, lower, title, capitalize, strip, replace, split, find, count. These are the some string methods we are going to use. Then what is a reverse string? See here I gave an example for reverse string and palindrome. These are the code for reverse string. See, I will execute this code. What is the uh, word we took? This is Python. We took the word Python. Okay. And then we are reversing the this word Python. We are going to reversing the Python. So that's why we are giving the condition as text or text in between the square brackets. We give the condition colon colon minus 1. Why we are giving the minus 1? So it will come back to right to left. That's why we are giving the minus. Then print what is the output? So it reverses the word. Okay. Then what is a palindrome? I will took palindrome. So I enter the code. So text equal to input. Here why we give the text equal to input. So in the output session, we are going to give the word. What is the word we are going to want? That word we are going to give in the output session. Then if text equal to text of -1, print palindrome. Else print not palindrome. Here palindrome means what? From starting onwards, from back onwards, the word which we pronounce, which will give the same sound, like madam. From front side, madam. From back side also madam only. Like that. So front side and back side, when at where we are going to pronounce, it will give the same pronounce. Okay, same sound. It will give the same sound. So I will run this program. It is asking what text. It is asking input. Okay, I will give input. Madam. Then what is the so this is a palindrome. For example, I will give my name Karthik. His output not palindrome because from front onwards it is pronouncing as Karthik. From back onwards it is not pronouncing as Karthik. That's why it is not giving. It is not a palindrome. It is giving. Okay. Then count characters. So I will give my name. Here I gave the banana word. In the banana, I'm going to count exact word A. How many times A is repeated in the word? I will going to count. For this is the code for counting the characters. So this is the code. I will count the A letter. How many times which is repeated in the word? How many times which is repeated? A three times. A is repeated three times. I will give my name. How many times A is repeated? Only one time. Okay, understood? Like this, we're going to execute the code. So Python, which is easy to execute the code and all. So that's all for this session. So I will give some practice questions in the description. So you can go through it and you can practice the programs. Now we discussed about what the three programs. What are the programs? Reversing string, palindrome, and count characters. These are the very important programs. Okay. They, in our level exams also they are going to ask these programs. Study well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.